Hello everyone, this is Anton Benson. Kamusta kayo? Alam niyo ba, wala akong taping ngayon. Kaya i-treat ko muna yung sarili ko, especially my skin.
That how you feel inside reflects on the outside. Kaya when my skin feels fresh, hydrated, and healthy, I've always believed that how you feel inside reflects on the outside. Mas nagiging confident ako to show my authentic self. Ang saya ng Nivea Skin House! And I also learned how Nivea works with the skin. And we were all just vibing, sharing stories, and inspiring each other. These products have always been my go-to. Kasi with Nivea, mapapafeel niya talaga na healthy ang skin ko and nararamdaman ko talaga yung authentic self ko. I can step into any room, talk to anyone, at mas confident ako sa sarili. Sobrang laki talaga ng tulong ng confidence ko in creating my own path that comes with the real care, no filters, no faking. With Nivea, you feel good at confident sa sarili mo because you've got the skin you can believe in.